Welcome students. Today this video I'm going to teach number system. Okay. So the number system has two types. One for Indian number system and one for international number system. Okay. So we are Indian. So in all over India we used Indian number system, but international system used in all over the world. So let me discuss first the Indian place value system. Okay, first of all, if we start to read Indian place value system, we need to know how to write a numbers as per Indian place value system. So before going to start, we need to know what are the things important when we write a large number. What are the things we have to follow and what we need to learn. First of all, we want to know how to put comma when you are writing a large number. First of all, you need to know comma. You want to know how to use commas. Then you want to know place value. Already we learned, so this for our revising. Okay, so we want to know how to put comma as per Indian and international place value system. Then we want to know place values. Okay, then we want to know how to write and read numbers. Okay, so when we are writing a large number, we have to follow and we want to learn how to put comma as per Indian and international place value system, and we want to know place values of each and every digit. Okay, as per Indian and international place value system. Then we need to know how to read and write numbers into words, numbers name. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss as per Indian place value. As per Indian place value, how to put comma and what are the place values are there, and how to read and write as per Indian place value numbers. So first of all, we will learn the Indian place values. So first one, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is the place values of Indian number system. Okay, this is the place value. You already learned in your ON classes. So this is the place values of Indian number system. Then commas, it means periods. Period means we can say as a comma. Okay, comma means period. Period, or we can say comma. Commas. Okay, like this. When we write a large number, some example I will write some number. So when we are writing a large number, we have to put some comma as per Indian and international place value system. So we are going to learn about this also. So we can say period or comma. Okay. So as per Indian, now we are talking about Indian place value. Now just forgot about international place value. We will discuss on later. But first now we will discuss about Indian place value. So as per Indian place value, these three place value comes in ones period. Okay, ones period. Then next, these two place values comes in thousand period. 1000 period. Then next is two places comes into lakhs period. Lakhs period. Then these two places comes in crore period. Crores period. So now I think you are not understand. When I will do some example, then you can understand. Okay. So as per Indian place value, you know the place value ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is the place values of Indian number system. Then these three places are comes in ones period. These two places are comes in thousand periods. These two lakhs period comes in lakhs period. Then these two places are comes in crores period. So let me take some example numbers. Okay, then you can understand. First, I am going to take 6-digit number, any number. Okay, so 9, 5, 3, 2, 7, 5. So it's a 6-digit number. So now, as per Indian place value, we want to write standard format. It's not a standard format. When we write the large number, we have to write in standard form using comma. So this, as per the Indian system, we have to write comma. So how to write in standard form? 9, 5, 3, 2, 7, 5. So there's three places comes in ones period. Means ones, tens, 100. These three periods comes in ones period. So one comma. Okay. So ones, tens, 100. These three places comes in ones period. Then second one, 1,000, 10,000. These two places comes in 1,000 places. So second period. So this is a standard form of Indian place value system. Let me take another example. So it's under standard form. How to write the number in standard form as using Indian place value. So 8, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2. So as per Indian place value, how to write a standard form? First 3 digit, after 2, that's it. Okay. Now, how to write the numbers name in as per Indian place value? How to write in numbers name? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 9 lakh. How to write in words? 9 lakh 53,000. Okay. So 9 lakh 53,000. $53,275. 75. Don't confuse, this is different, okay? Now we are discussing Indian place value, okay? International place value we will see next video. So as per Indian place value, you can write in words numbers name. You can say it's a numbers name. How we can write? 9 lakh 53,000, okay? 53,275 as per Indian number system, okay? Then second one, how we can write? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 8 lakh, how we can write? 8 lakh 32,000. 452. So we can write numbers name how? 8,32,432. Okay. So as per the Indian place value, when we write a large number, we have to write a standard form for using comma. Okay. So first 3 digit we have to put first one period, then second two places second period, then two another two. So how to write in numbers name, you know very well as per the Indian place value. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 9 lakh 53,275, then 8 lakh 32,452. So this is the way you can read, you can write the numbers name.